Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to change the storage location of files we download from Google Chrome. By doing this, it will make it easier for you to find files that you have just downloaded from Google Chrome. The first step, please open one of Google Chrome on your laptop. If you have copied a lot of Google Chrome, if there is only one Google Chrome, then Google Chrome is the one you open. Click Change. After that, you can choose the storage location for the files downloaded from Google Chrome. I will give an example of this folder, which will be the storage location for Google Chrome. Now the storage location of Google Chrome has been successfully changed, so that's how it works. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.